Here we are at Mythbuster lesson number 10. Understanding your hormones changes everything. It gives you clarity, confidence, where you can take control of your health. Now, the myth is there is nothing you can do about hormone symptoms. The truth, when you understand your hormones, everything changes. Many women feel stuck, tired, anxious, gaining weight, not sleeping, and they think nothing can change. But that's not true. Your symptoms have a pattern, and once you see it, everything shifts. Here are 5 things you need to know. Your symptoms are not random. Hormone patterns can be clearly measured. Balance can be restored. Stress hormones can be corrected. And saliva testing shows what blood tests miss. Once you understand the pattern, you finally understand what your body has been trying to tell you. Hormone clarity gives you confidence, and confidence gives you control. Your learner level saliva test shows the roadmap so you can take your power back.